And now for something completely random. So if you're like me and you have a lot of vintage lenses laying around, you probably also have a lot of camera adapters. And after having several of these, I had the idea, hey, wouldn't it be interesting if you put these on your face? So this is what I came up with. These are some Minolta lenses here on some Minolta to Sony E-mount adapters that I've got attached to this welding goggle mask thing right here. Don't ask me why I did this other than, hey, I thought it would be cool, but it's very easy to make. I got these welding goggles pretty cheaply on eBay. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And whatever goggles you use for this, make sure that they are of the removable lens type so that you can easily unscrew these lenses. And that's what I did first. The flip open part, I flipped open and I unscrewed the lenses. Like so, took the lenses out, and that gave me easy access to the frame, which fit neatly inside. They were just the right diameter to sit inside, and then I just sort of filled the gap between the lens adapter and the welding goggles with hot glue. I attached the Minolta lenses, and I was done. Now, one thing you should be completely aware if you decide to build something like this is that when you flip the lenses down like so, you're going to be pretty much blind. I mean, you can see a little bit through these lenses, but they are not made to focus on the human eyeball. So all you will see, if anything, is a blurry piece of glass with some maybe dirt and scratches on it. So be aware of that as if you are going to do this and or you're going to put actors in these, they won't be able to see anything, which is why I have these clear lenses here. Originally I had some parchment paper put in here, which is really easy to make because these lenses also remove. And so I was able to pull those out and then trace around in a circle on some parchment paper, cut them out, and put those in here. The idea being was that the lenses could now use the parchment paper as a focusing screen, and maybe I could see that with my eyes. I did that with these, but then I noticed that my eyes were just too close to the focusing screen. I really couldn't see anything anyway. It was blurry and it was upside down. So I just kind of left them open like this so that when you need to do your shot, or if you're at a party or whatever, you just can go around like this, not moving around. Probably is the best idea. And then when you need to see, you can just hold them up like this if you need to see really quick, or you can just rest them on your head like that. Another thing you might want to be aware of is that you want to use the lightest lenses as possible because these are metal vintage lenses, these Minoltas. So they get pretty heavy, weigh quite heavy on the bridge of your nose right here. If you're able to find the plastic lenses or something that's as light as possible, that will be the best bet, as it won't create as much weight. Another thing you might also want to use on this is not your best lenses that you're going to be using on video or on photos with. There also is a chance that the hot glue might come out and these will hit the floor, or this will fall off your face. It is kind of heavy. Whatever the reason, you don't want to use your best lenses. You want to use your cheaper throwaway lenses. You can find lots of them on eBay. The smaller and the lighter, the better. Whatever you decide to do. In my case, I had a lot of this stuff laying around, so I thought it would be kind of fun. So that's why I did it. See you next time.